Okay, we're going to thread a little more here on this barrel muzzle, and here we see we've cut thread relief over here between this shoulder and these threads where we're cutting. And what we're going to do is we're going to back the carriage up by turning on the crank until we see that the thread index lines up. In this case, because we're cutting 14 threads per inch, we want to line up with either a 1, a 3, a 5, or a 7. And then we have set the crossfeed here to, we backed it off a turn so we could back up, and then we go to our 0, which we've adjusted this movable dial so that with the 0 when we just connect with the threads, and then we advance this compound about 3 thousandths, and then we put a little bit of cutting oil on the threads, and then we're going to turn on the lathe, and as soon as it gets going and goes into the thread relief, we're going to step on this pedal to stop the lathe. So here we go. We're watching it cut. See the shavings it's cutting off? When it gets to the thread relief area, I'm going to step on the brake. And there you can see I've stepped on the brake, and now we repeat the process. We back off a turn here, we take the carriage out of gear, we go back to where we can engage the thread indicator, and then we put the carriage back in gear. We put our turn back to our 0 that we've hit, and we advance the compound. We put on a little bit more oil, and we turn it on again. Looking good.